ki khubor ka bate si TV. Wanrah shapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kanong aiktin jong ka All India Congress Committee ka Onika Meherotra kalaong bagaday kaseng Congress ka Wanrah nengkong ya ka Women Reservation Bill ban mangkerpang 5% ya ki seat ha ki Panchayati Raj nado usnem khat khandai spa prap khandai menba Rajiv Gandhi udang long menteri rang bado kari ya ka bala persya daki MP ka BJP ki bakantup ya Lal Krishna Advani u Atal Bihari Vajpayee u Yaswant Singh bat u Ram Jethmalani. Ka Onika Meherotra kalabu jingkeliru ya ka BJP balai ka simpor haduk khandai snem siteng ban Wanrah ya ka nega bill hapo ka Lok Sabha wala ka BJP kaladon lepa ya ka jingbon pai hapo ka yeng darbar thawain.
Friends, you are aware of the fact of the Women Reservation Bill, or shall I call it the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. The nomenclature has changed, but nothing beyond that. So that is the focus of the day, where we want to highlight as to how the bill was taken up by the Congress party way back through Rajivji's time from 1989. It was his dream to give reservation to the women. That's how we felt the empowerment could be complete if they are politically active and they play a vital role in the society. Women are the major, I can say, they put in the major input in the economy of the country, and if they are empowered, I think the whole economy runs in a better format, and we see a more flourished society. Nevertheless, it all began in 1989 when Rajiv Ji, of course, came up with the 33 reservation, and it was followed up by our PM PV Nareshwar Rao Ji. And then when 33 reservation was given, and then in 2010, when Sonia Ji and our Dr. Manmohan Singh were in power, and Dr. Manmohan Singh's cabinet came up with the Women Reservation Bill, it was passed in the Rajya Sabha, and in the Lok Sabha the consensus was not made, and unfortunately it could not get cleared. Over the years, the party kept on writing to the present regime as to the bill should be passed, as it's already passed in the Rajya Sabha, and Bharatiya Janata Party, as you know, made tall claims. They said, "Bahut hua mahilaon pe atyachaar ab ki baar." Then they said, "Beti bachao, beti padhao." All those slogans came in from them, and well, we felt that the Bharatiya Janata Party should live up to what they have said. Madam Sonia wrote to Prime Minister 2016, 2017. There were continuous correspondence from the Congress party to put pressure on the present regime to get the bill cleared. But nothing came by far till the last lap after 9.5 years. And as you have seen, the nomenclature has been changed, and a lot of glorification has been done on the Women Reservation Bill. And the bill is passed. We are obviously very happy that women are going to get the reservation. But the ifs and buts in the bill, if you have seen the fine prints of the bill, I'm sure as reporters you must have read the bill, the clause that they are put in are two very dangerous clauses which cannot be fulfilled in the present coming General Election 2024. It has the clause of delimitation, it has the part of census, that until those two things are cleared, the bill cannot be, actually the women cannot get the power to contest. So the whole idea behind this is defeated. You have come after 9.5 years. Why, may I ask? Why were you not interested in clearing it in the first shot? You spoke about women reservation, and you claim that, and it's a fact that majorly women have, voted for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And when you see that the women have voted for you, what was the delay? Why didn't you do it in the first go? You had both the authority and the numbers. Then why did you delay it? And then when you came up, you came up with a special session. And helter-skelter, you just came out bill. It was not even discussed with the other parties. Didn't even go to the standing committee. But it was clear. We stand by the bill. We said that we stand by the bill. But these two things, in a way, is a hurdle to ensure that the women get the reservation. So that's why we are here. We want to speak to the media and ensure that this goes, rightly to the women community. Because you see, when the Bharatiya Janata Party has realized that election around the corner, a jumla is there. They are mastermind in creating such kind of jumlas, but this hasn't gone well with the women. They have realized that you just say things for the sake of saying it and not doing it actually. This bill, because of the cap in the census, cannot be done before 2026, and then the delimitation and then the census. So it's a long passage still for the bill to be cleared. So this is kind of a jumla, and we don't want the women of this. And Bharatiya Janata Party thinks that they can fool the people of the country on and on. They have done it in 2014 and year consecutive year, now again. So the narrative of the whole election is what they are working around. But they fail to understand that by giving 200 off in the gas cylinder, they think they've done charity on the women. No, they have not. It was not well taken by the women again. They knew very well that if they do not come up with anything concrete for the women, they will lose their women voters. Be it unemployment, be it the price rise, be it crime against women, everything. It is just haywire. So I think everybody is so sick and tired of the present regime that it's absolutely sure that the debacle is very near. And this is what has caused them to come up with a bill. So it should not be an eyewash activity. It should have been very concrete. It should have been implemented right away. And this is what the Congress party demanded. As far as the implementation is concerned, there were a few questions raised by the Congress. Declared, is the seat been decided? Has the delimitation been done? Which seat will they contest from? So this is what has to be told to them. And they are understanding this. It's just a farce. It's nothing but a farce where they are trying to show an impact that the bill has been passed and the Bharatiya Janata Party has done it. Whereas the Congress was the champion for this. Late Shri Rajiv Gandhi just started it. And we got it done in the Panchayat also. Did the BJP participate in that? No, they objected it. The leaders like Advani ji, Jethmalani ji, and others, Jashwant Sinha, they all objected to it. So this was the mindset. Tell me how many women are there in RSS? None. So let not BJP fool the women of this country. They know very well that is only an election eyewash optic, and which the thing they are going to encash it. They're sadly mistaken, because women of this country have realized it's just an eyewash. It's a distant dream. The passage already took us so many years, and now further delay. So that means the purpose is not achieved. If there had not been any delay, we would have realized, yes, the intent and the vision is very clear, and the hand-holding for the women has started. But no, it isn't. It is just an eyewash, and there's no surety when are you going to do the census, and when will you then ahead start the delimitation. When I began the press conference, I said 9.5 years. What was stopping BJP? They were in power. Both the houses. No, we couldn't make the consensus. Yeah, it was not there. We accept the fact. But the efforts was there. Here, very much they are in power. Very much they have the authority in both the houses. Still then, why the ifs and buts? So the answer lies in your question. So the ifs and buts in it. Had it be a clear passage, yes, the bill will be implemented right from the day it has been passed. Because it can be. As I said, it is in the Rajya Sabha and it doesn't lapse. It could have been just implemented in the same format. So why did you put these hurdles? Just to obstruct the women of not being eligible in the 2024 elections?